Here we go. Pilots, arm your quads. Live on the tone in less than 5. Fantastic start, and like to see that. Almost 4 different colors of LEDs. All of them through. Trash Panda, your leader, as he goes to the back corner. The rest of the field hot on his props here in this opening lap. We're over at that tower, 3 wide of the tower. Ooh, the call with some issues. Giving us a nice aerial view of our Collegiate Drone Race Championship course. Now we're all in the Stitch It section, 1, 2, and 3. We're coming out of it. Gonna be Air Gonzo just ahead of Trash Panda, who is just ahead of Quad Addiction FPV, who's got a little bit of a lead over the call. You want to be first or second in the brackets. Air Gonzo with a 52 and change as he goes on to lap number 2. Remember, your highest qualifier in the next 16 group. Quad Addiction 4.1 seconds back from him in second. And looking for that battle for the transfer position. And Trash Panda trying to get onto that lead lap. There he is onto that final lap. White flag flying, but he's got to find 12.9 seconds if he's going to catch up with Quad Addiction. Oh, we lost Trash Panda. Now it's just the call who's on his lid. Air Gonzo, our leader in Quad Addiction, in the number 2 spot as we're going to push them through here. Quad Addiction with the win. No, I don't think that's right. We're still racing. We're still racing. He's over at the tower. Little sensitivity. There's the win for Air Gonzo. That's what we're looking for. Air Gonzo across the line with a commendable time. He's going to get the win going up in our winner's bracket to heat number 8. We got to wait till I do the slip and slide in the scoring software to see if we have any channel changes. Now just waiting on Quad Addiction to finish things up. Hey, Andre, have you been building or getting the on-deck circle? Oh, good job. 2 steps ahead of me, my friend. I like your style. Across the line we go. So we'll give second to Quad Addiction. 2 laps in 2 minutes 26. That was race number 4. We'll retrieve some quads. Don't worry about channel changes. Up next, and Andre is already on it. Beard Machine, Goose FPV, Linens, Crete 6. You guys are up. On deck will be Hawaiian Hammer, Infinite FPV, Quick Lax, and Max Mg. Still can't do it. And in the hole, Ninja Quad, Jake T, Trash Panda, and the call in the hole. We're getting up heat number 5. And I'm going to do the Slippy Sloppy to see if we can figure out who is moving where and what channel changes.